Hello everyone and welcome to our Offsite Ready Summer Design Challenge. Hopefully by the time you're watching this you should already know who I am, but to recap, my name is Louise and I'm currently finishing up my MSc in Advanced Structural Engineering at Edinburgh Napier University after completing my undergraduate there in Civil Engineering. Alongside my studies, I work as a research assistant for the Centre for Offsite Construction, hence my involvement in this project. For this project, I will be the project coordinator and your first point of contact. I'll just give you a very brief overview of my time with the Centre for Offsite Construction and how that brings us here today. So at the beginning of my fourth year at Napier, I became a scholar of the Built Environment Exchange, which allowed me to get directly involved with the research at the Centre for Offsite Construction. Over the summer of my fourth year, I was an intern with RMP Acoustic Consultants, who, like Caucus, are based within the university. Here, I had plenty of exposure to sound and vibration testing, as well as learning about the regulations that goes alongside that, as well as of learning kind of the importance of sound and insulation and vibration in buildings. At the end of last summer, I was involved in the full-scale testing of lightweight gauge steel panels. It was required by the client to determine the racking performance of these panels when they had different sheathing materials on them. I enjoyed this project so much that I decided to investigate it further in my master's dissertation, which is something to maybe take away from this, that over the course of this project, if you find something that interests you quite a lot, maybe look into how that could apply to a future dissertation research honours project. This then leads on to my involvement with the Offsite Ready project, where I became the lead coordinator for this Summer Design Challenge. I will now give a brief overview of the project and what is required of the participants. You will be split into two teams, where each member of the team will be allocated a role relevant to their kind of experience or what their degree is in. You will have to read the brief very carefully and ensure that you use the resources provided to you, a lot of which you'll find on Trimble Connect. There's a lot of videos that have been kind of uploaded there. You want to gain a conceptual understanding of the site. You're obviously not limited to these provided resources. You can find a lot of information on the Bees Craigs website. If at some point over this period and it's safe to do so, you're more than welcome to go out and visit the site, get your own footage, etc. Weekly meetings are set up with an industry expert or a member of the Offsite Ready team, where you'll be given the opportunity to ask questions related to their area of expertise. Outside of these meetings, I am your first point of contact, so if you have any queries relating to the project, please let me know. Finally, you will be required to submit weekly vlogs of maybe like 2 to 5 minutes, just sort of small clips that can be of your meetings or an overview of what you did in the week, just to kind of capture how you're getting on and what you've been up to. So that's all from me, and I can't wait to see how the next 12 weeks go and your outputs from the project. I have no doubt that they will be very innovative and contribute to us all together becoming more offsite ready.